All right, guys, here we are. We are working on the Legacy, and I was discussing the misfire on number 4 cylinder. So I pulled the injectors out. Oh, come on, focus, baby. This is one of the injectors. This is number 4. This is the cylinder that the misfire was on. So, yeah. And then I think number 2 was starting to go. There's a crack. Where is it? Come on, focus. It's not focusing. But anyways, there's a crack right there along this bottom edge right there. You can see it kind of. It's starting to crack. So I have all new injectors on their way for this car. So I got this driver's side all tore apart. And then I got to figure out this side. But that's another problem for next week. The problem is now I'm down without a car for a week. So, yeah. So it's just a part of working on the project car, I guess. Everyday driver, whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned for the other one.